What's up, everybody? So this next video is essentially just to get you caught up because I'm about a month behind on uploading versus how the car's actually sitting. So I purchased the camera way before I purchased anything else or had any knowledge of what I was doing. So the stuff was getting done, but it wasn't getting uploaded. So I'm trying to get caught back up, but I'm just essentially gonna throw it all in one video so you guys can get caught up and then we can be on the same page. So it's just gonna be a lot of time lapsing and many different days. I know a lot of YouTubers like to make it look like everything was one day, but this ain't. So I'm gonna be uploading that while getting heat back in my soccer mom van because I went all last winter without it and that sucked. I ain't doing that again. So we got the timing chain cover. I almost said valley pan. It's close, but it's not it. Timing chain cover on. Now it's time for the oil pan. Whoa! Spiffed it. Time for the oil pan, guys. And then once that's on, slap some paint on it, and pretty much ready to drop her in the subframe. I found out I am really awesome at keeping my camera battery charged. So got to miss a little bit, but pan's on. I'm gonna let the gasket set up a little bit before I torque down the bolts. Now, just need to make these two together, and it should go in. It should go in. There's no front end on it. It's been the next day now. The drive shaft and cross member have had time to dry, so we're gonna put those in. And I actually found some valve covers that I wasn't using, so I gave them a little custom touch. Also, harmonic balancer got put on, so it's coming along. All-time favorite thing to do is leave something on top of the car. Cross members all in, so gave the pan a quick coat since I couldn't get it when it was out of the car. So next is the drive shaft. Now that you're all caught up, we can finally be on the same page. So tomorrow will be exhaust. Just need to run to town, get some gaskets, and then we'll be set to go. And I got a soccer mom heat going while you're watching the video. So till next time.